We all know how effective nasal sprays are. Most of us have used a nasal spray at some point in our life, but not many people read the instructions given on any nasal sprays. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Kanchan from Bibo, and today we'll be talking about oxymetazoline based nasal spray and what are its effects on prolonged use of these sprays. Oxymetazoline is a nasal decongestant. It provides quick relief from blocked nose. In fact, you might notice immediate relief after using these sprays. But should you use it every day or for a long time? The answer is no. Did you know the label of oxymetazoline based nasal sprays state that it should not be used for more than 3 to 5 days? Let's see why we shouldn't use these sprays for chronic use. Before that, we'll see how these nasal sprays work so it's easier to relate the side effects. As discussed, oxymetazoline is a nasal decongestant. So what it does it shrinks the blood vessels in our nose. So when our blood vessels are shrunk, there's enough space in our nose to breathe. So you will feel an immediate effect that your nose is opened, or you say that you find a quick relief. But why shouldn't these be used for long term? As mentioned, so these sprays shrunk the blood vessels, right? So when our blood vessels are shrunk for long term, they can lead to various side effects such as bleeding, because the blood vessels get ruptured when they are shrunk for a long time. So bleeding is a very common side effect for people who are using these sprays for long term. So prolonged use of oxymetazoline based nasal sprays can also cause rebound nasal congestion, which means your nasal congestion will again return back but with a greater effect. This is because, see, basically you are using these sprays to open up your nose, right? So it works by shrinking your blood vessels. So after you discontinue this or you're using it for a long term, your blood vessels will not shrink for that long term, or you might require a larger dose to shrink the blood vessels. So after you use this spray for say 3 to 5 days, your condition starts worsening. So the spray doesn't work anymore, or you might require a larger dose to get relief from blocked nose. Some people can even experience other side effects such as burning sensation in the nose and throat, difficulty sleeping, then say you find it difficult to keep your nose open after long term, and then increased heart rate, blood pressure, nervousness, dizziness, and so on. Oxymetazoline based nasal spray should be used carefully in people who have high blood pressure, diabetes, heart conditions, and women who are pregnant and breastfeeding. Studies have shown that these nasal sprays can cause cardiovascular and CNS side effects such as anxiety, insomnia, agitation, convulsions, confusion, and lot more. Also, these sprays should not be used in children below 12 years. So next time you're using any nasal spray or any medicine for that matter, do read the label of the medicine and do consult a doctor. If you have any questions or doubt, do comment us in the comment section, and see you in the next video.